What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing the JJRC H8D 5.8G HZ FPV real-time drone. Now, I've had this drone. My very first drone I've ever gotten was this drone. It is one of the most coolest drones out there. And I say that because you can maneuver it really well. I mean, I would say, the camera's not the greatest, and, it's not the fastest, it can't go the furthest, but it's such a really well-made drone, and it maneuvers so quick, like, just really quick. I'll show you guys some footage of this in action. We, of course, got to charge it up. It's very lightweight, but it's got enough pulling power, you probably could mount another camera on here. Looks like this one comes with an SD card. Overall, it's an amazing drone. I would say the only downfall would be when you go to get the battery out, the camera sits on the battery pack. So, you got to be careful. And the battery doesn't last that super long, so that is kind of disappointing. And to get to the battery, it's a little hassle, but you can leave it in if you want. Let's see. And to pull the battery out, it can be a little hassle as well. It's not the most easiest one out there. It's an older drone as well, so keep that in mind. It's not like these new drones that they're much more simpler, so it's best just to kind of try and pull the battery out to disconnect it. But it's one of my most favorite drones that I've ever used. So we pull out the battery. Let's see here. There. Now we can easily charge it, and you can buy multiple batteries so you can use them on the go all the time. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get out everything we need. It comes with extra blades and all kinds of different things here. Alright. What do we got here? Okay, so that's for the SD card. Maybe we didn't have to. Maybe this was updated. I don't think it's updated. Pretty sure it's not updated. But to charge it, interesting. Okay, anyway, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so here we go. We have our charger. Now we just need to connect the adapter here, and we're going to go ahead and plug this in and charge it up. So there will be a red dot on the charger. When it turns green, that means it's fully charged. So we're going to go ahead and charge that. Check out this remote. Pretty sweet, huh? It's a really nice remote here. But that's not the coolest thing. And I never got used to this. By the way, if you're interested, you can find the link to this drone in my video description, and I give it a 10 out of 10. It is an older drone, and it does take some getting used to, but it's been one of the most coolest drones I've ever had. And look at this. This is a real-time screen. So you can actually watch the video footage in real time. That's right, real time. So cool. So we're going to go ahead and put the antenna on here. Now I forget how, I think this needs charge as well, and that's what you use this for, I believe. Yes. So it is windy out here. We'll see how this goes for the first initial test run. Not sure if anything's calibrated or not, but we'll find out. Alright, we're now going to turn on the screen so you guys, can you see? So it's got very good maneuverability. You just have to get used to it. So we have ran out of battery. That's why it died in mid-flight. When the blue light starts blinking, that means your battery is getting low and you should return home. We probably should go ahead and mount the legs on here just to protect this better. But yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. It's so much fun. Keep in mind it is very lightweight, so if it's windy out, it's going to be harder to control.